To scan documents on a Samsung S25, first of all, go into Google Play Store and download this application, Adobe Scan PDF Scanner. In my opinion, this is one of the best applications. It's completely free, you don't have to pay for it. So when you download, just open this application, and right now you can sign in with your Facebook, Apple or Google account. You can also use your Adobe account. So in my case, I'm gonna use my Google account. And now I have to click to sign in. I have to input some information right here. So let's do this. I will just create account. Now click continue. And here you can start a 7-day free trial. So you can click skip. And right now you have to accept everything. Select what you are gonna scan, ID card, document, book. So in my case it will be document. And right now put it in front of you and you will get this automatic detection. We have to tap the screen when we are ready to scan. We have to hold steady and now click on crop. We got automatic detection. There we go. And now you can set name by clicking here. You can save into PDF file. You can rotate. You can retake. You can edit text. Add some filters if you want. You can adjust. You can even clean up something if you want. There's actually a lot of different options. You can mark up, resize. So that's how it actually looks. If I'm gonna save this one into PDF file, then I have to wait. And here I can find some things. So I can quickly share, edit, move into JPEG format. So this page has been saved to my photos. So if I'm gonna open it, this should be probably in the gallery. Yeah, as you can see here, it is.